Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Kia Sportage and we're going to do the side skirt chrome bleed installation for this vehicle. So this is how the side skirt looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the side panels. Link for the product will be provided below. Well, with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire side panel. So you're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. Your side panel does have any harsh contaminants like any wax, oils, grease, or any coating on the side panel. You can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But when you're doing the prep, if you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. And you're going to need a clean microfiber towel as well. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the towel, and start removing all the contaminants that the panel may have, and also clean the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the plastic trim, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And once you're done with the prep, make sure that everything's dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. So for the installation for the side skirt, since we're doing the driver's side, this is how the driver's side looks like. So with this one, we're going to start with piece number one. Piece number one is this one here, which is the longer piece on your kit. So it's this one right here. So when it comes to doing the installation for this one, you're going to need to align the film to this curve first. So you're going to match the cutout. So if you see, there's a curve cutout right here in the middle. That one, you match it right here. Okay, so you just match it on the curve and just follow along. Make sure you're covering the chrome on the bottom and you have chrome covering the top. So it should look like this. And then just fix this side too, till you reach it to this end, and just carefully tack down. Make sure to remove all of the air and make sure everything is being covered. So the chrome is being covered on the bottom and the chrome is being covered on top. So make sure you give yourself material to cover everything, and do the same on this end. And then you just grab your squeegee, start tacking everything down. Make sure to remove all of the air that's trapped underneath the film. And then once we finish removing all of the air and tacking down the film, we're going to apply heat. That way we can start sealing the entire film. And if we have any excess material, we will trim it off. But before we do the trimming, we're going to wrap the film on the edge here. Wrap it around to cover the edge on the inside of the door. Okay, and you can use any heat device. If you have a heat gun, that's good. You can also use a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and start applying heat to help the adhesive activate faster. Okay, so this excess material on this section here, we're going to use in order to fully cover the edge of the inside here. So we're just going to use our heat gun. And the reason why we're using a heat gun is to help loosen the film. That way we're able to grab the film on the edges and then lightly stretch it to cover the inside here. Apply heat, use the lowest setting on your device. And now the film is more loose, and all we're doing is just stretching the film to cover the curve. And then stretch the bottom to remove the finger. So for the bottom, you're stretching upward like this to remove any fingers, and for the top right here, you're stretching downward to remove any fingers. Okay, and now we have coverage on the edge here. And to help the film start molding to the curve here, we're going to apply heat. That way it stays tacked down. Okay. And just let the adhesive start doing its work, staying tacked down, and then just make sure it stays in position here. Apply heat once more, and then once you finish applying heat and you notice that the film is actually sticking and not trying to go back to its original shape, then we could trim off the excess material. And to trim off the excess material, it will be this section here. Just create an outline with your finger. That way you know exactly where to trim off. And then with your blade, just slowly start trimming off the material. Take your time doing this process. And then remove what you don't need. And then apply heat once more. And now it stays sealed. So it should look like this. All the chrome is not showing. So once you finish installing piece number 1 for the front door, now we move on to the rear piece. So for this one, it's actually a 2-piece installation. The only reason why is because this section here, it's more of a deeper curve. So we just made a separate piece for this piece here. That way you get full coverage. So when you grab your small little piece, just adjust it to the edge here. So just from the top, make sure it's covered, and just use this side panel as a guide to align the rest of the film. And then just help the film on the edge tack down, and then apply heat to start sealing everything. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down faster. Okay, so for the last piece with the installation for this one, just make sure you align it up on the top edge here. So give yourself enough material to cover everything here, and then just use the top half as a guide to align the rest of the film. So just adjust as needed. Make sure the whole chrome is being covered. Follow through until you reach to this end right here. And then just carefully start bringing the film down. Remove all of the air. And it should cover everything on the bottom. And then to make sure that the film stays tacked down on this curve, just apply a little bit of heat. And then for this area here, just help cover the remaining edge right here. So just apply heat and just help it cover. And then just make sure to remove any excess material that you have on the top and bottom edges here. So right here, just tuck in as much as you can and start trimming off the excess material. And that's pretty much it. Trim off everywhere else, and then once you're done with this process, the last thing to do is to post heat. Okay, so the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the side skirt is to post heat everything. So you could use a heat gun or a hair dryer to post heat everything. You could use the low or the highest setting on your device. If you do use the highest setting, just make sure not to focus on one area for too long, because you may accidentally burn the film. So just take your time applying heat evenly throughout each panel, especially on the inside curved areas. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the side skirt chrome delete installation for the Kia Sportage. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.